Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Far Cry 3 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and make sure that you are logged in using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the store page. Now from this page, just click on the search box at the top section and then type in Far Cry 3 and start your search. Once you find the Far Cry 3 game, go ahead and click on it. And this will now take you into the game page. You can watch the trailer as well as the reviews. And when you scroll down, you will see the Add to Cart button. Just click on the Add to Cart button, and now this game will be added to your cart. To finalize the purchase, click on View My Cart. And now you can click on Continue to Payment to finalize your purchase. Just choose your payment method from the given drop-down list. And after choosing your payment method, you can click on the Continue button. Now you can just continue with your credentials for the payment method that you selected. If you chose your credit or debit card, you will simply be asked to enter your card number, followed by the expiration date, the CVV, and your security code. And if you have chosen PayPal, you will just need to log into your PayPal account. Once you have logged in and finalized your transaction, the game will now appear within your library, from which you can start the installation with a single click. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.